Alexander right here. Without any lag, here's my review of .os. The first thought that clicked in my mind when I installed this ROM is that the interface is pretty good, but I doubted if it could stand against the competition. Can it stand against the well-established ROM developers like Resurrection Remix and Lineage OS, because those ROMs are one of the best when it comes to custom ROMs. Speaking of minor things first, it is quite impressive that they have added their own wallpaper app. This ROM runs on Android 8.1 Oreo but has a customized notification panel like the one in Android P. There's also a unique icon pack which goes well along the wallpaper. Coming to the major things a custom ROM should consist of, .os 2.3 has something called .extras, from which one can control most of the aspects of the interface. That way every user can conveniently customize his or her UI style accordingly. In short, for most of the tweaks, you don't want to have a third-party application, namely the Gravity Box module. That itself is a double yet noticeable upgradation, as you don't need to go through the process of installing Xposed on your device. Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, cameras, face unlock and VoLTE just works well, but they depend on the device maintainer to function, so it isn't surprising if these features do not work on your particular device. Not to forget the battery life, not denying it is acceptable enough, but it isn't very impressive, as I had seen similar screen on time values on Resurrection Remix and Lineage OS. A bit of tinkering is bound to take place here, but if you need a specified value, then it's 9 hours of screen on time with 4000 mAh of battery, which is convenient. Without a doubt, portrait mode has become a trend in 2018, which made me go ahead and root this OS with Magisk, which by the way works perfectly, and Camera to API was already enabled. I then installed Anova's latest release, Pixel to XL Mod Gcam version 8. After making some changes in the settings, the results turned out to be really well. Other ROMs which failed to deliver the same kind of fluency in the camera app often crashed. Do this as easy win for the .os. Many ROMs now consist of support for edge gestures and edge navigation, whereas .os lacks this feature, although I'm not very clear if this too is a device specific, or despite lacking that functionality, the customization on the navigation bar stands out. The graphical representation on the navigation bar is far better when music is played. Last but not the least, after all the customizations, I hit it with Antutu benchmarks. It was just a beast with a score close to 80k units. The least thing I worry about is gaming performance. My device has Snapdragon 625 with 4 gigs of RAM. It just cuts away with the highest settings possible in PUBG. Summing up all the aspects, if I have to describe this ROM, then I would say it is a perfect mixture of performance and customization. Everything is way easier to use and just works, and is always up to date. That's it for this video guys. Subscribe for more similar content. This is Alexandrite and I am signing off for now. Thanks for watching.